の大学だったら学割が使えます。これでいいですか？はい、じゃあちょっとだけ確認しますね。黒で、はい。黒ですね。はい。とペンで、はい。以上2点で大丈夫です。はい。どの柄がいいですか？どれでも選んでください。このパッケージだけ違う。中も一緒。お支払い方法どうしますか？なので、はい。端末の保証アップルケアはご存知ですか？今回 iPad が一応今までは何があっても4400円でお願いして、ありがとう。
よろしくお願いします。
Hello.
はい。
以上。OK。
もう一回いいですか？フォントが押されないようになりました。
When you buy a gadget, you're always excited. I bought the iPad Pro M4, so I can't wait to unbox it. But I need to take a video of myself unboxing. So how do you do it yourself? I don't know whether the camera is getting me right or not. So let's do some trick here. I'm going to use my clip. This is a very useful clip. So I'll put the clip here and I'll check it in the camera. So I have a guide. When I go out, I'm going to look at this so I know if my whole face is taken from the camera. So I'll go check the camera. And is it there? So maybe I can adjust a little. I'm not adjusting the camera. Okay. So, okay. It can, my head is up to there. So now that I have adjusted it. So this will be my angle. Now, I can start taking video. I decided to take a continuous video on how I unbox. So I'm going to get everything that I bought. So, okay, so here it is. Okay, now I can return this. So, how do I use this one? This is very useful. I use this as my money clip. Sa Pilipinas, in the Philippines, there are many small bills. So we need more cash. So this is the best money clip that I have. Very practical and I already make use of it. And it's cheap and it's available. So going back, pag senior na, you need to wear your reading glass. So I bought the iPad Pro. Takes me a while to decide whether to buy the 13-inch or the 11-inch. I used to have the iPad 11. Then I shift to 12.9. Now I'm shifting back to 11 because anyway I have a laptop, 14-inch MacBook Pro. So I decided to buy this one so that when traveling it's not too heavy. The package comes this way. Okay, and at the back is the specs. I wanted to buy the 1 terabyte, but there's no stock available. So I have to buy the 2 terabyte. When you take picture, make sure that you cover the serial number so people cannot see the identity of your gadget. Okay, so this is the The specs is 2 tera. I hope it's clear. 2 tera Wi-Fi cellular. And I decided to get the glass version because of the nano, although it doesn't have a shadow. It's more expensive and I still don't know the effect. So maybe I'll just go back to what I'm using. I put a coating. I will not mention the brand, so I won't be endorsing any brand. Next is the Magic Keyboard. The new Magic Keyboard already has additional function key. Okay, so I bought the Magic Keyboard. Since I'm now on Japan, I'm here on a trip with my wife for our 40th anniversary, and my kids and in-laws surprised us by requesting the hotel to put a flower. See, I have the flower from the kids greeting us in our hotel. We arrived here yesterday, and the hotel room has some balloon and this flower in the bed. Geeky Gram is already 40 years married. Okay, going back here. This is the Magic Keyboard. Since I'm in Japan, the keyboard is available in Japanese language. I requested for English keyboard. They have English keyboard in black. So, I decided I'm still choosing my color. So, everything is by destiny. They have a black keyboard, so I buy the space gray. Okay. So, at the back of the keyboard, this is the specs. I can show you the price since this is just a keyboard. The price here in Japan. Okay. So, this is the keyboard. And this is the Pencil Pro. The Pencil Pro come in different cases. Different case, different design. But this is just the Apple gimmick for now. The Pencil Pro. So I have a computation on the price of iPad Pro in the Philippines and the iPad Pro here in Japan. When you buy the iPad Pro in Japan, since I'm here already and it's not yet available in the Philippines, and the iPad Pro in US with tax of 9.5. I just recently visited US, but it's not come out yet. Okay, so I'll show you the price difference. I'm going to get the paper. So this is the computation. In the Philippines, the iPad Pro is this. This is the price. Okay, this is the comparison. The savings that I have is about 19,000 pesos buying it here and buying it online in the Philippines. I want to buy it in the Philippines, no? So I don't have to come to Japan to buy it. But it so happened it's not yet available in the Philippines. And for us who like gadget, we always wanted to be the first to have the gadget. So we can't wait. Whenever it's available, we are going to buy one. If you notice, I bought the 2 terabyte version. It's too expensive. Memory for iPad is very expensive. I mean, for upper product. I want to buy the 1 terabyte for since I do my editing. Some of my editing, if I'm not using my MacBook Pro, I'm using my iPad for editing. I want to get a 1 terabyte, but there's no 1 terabyte available. So by fate, maybe by fate, it wanted me to buy the 2 terabyte. So the fate decide for me on what I should buy. Now, let's start the unboxing. Okay. There are this one. We have to remove this. Okay, and I'm going to remove the other side. Okay, this one. Then open it together. Open the box together. Okay. It's this way. The iPad is here. Oh, it's thinner. You could feel the weight when you open it. It's thinner and lighter. And also, in the box are some document and there's a charger. Let me see how many watts is the charger that comes with it. Okay, it's I hope it's focused. It's a 20 watts charger. And for the Pro, I don't know what's Apple new gimmick, no? They always want to do something different. Comes this way. There is a USB-C to USB cable, but it's in black. For the Pro, this cable is in black. That's how Apple do it this time. And I've seen several other video. It says that the sticker is gone already. No more. Just some, maybe, this is bought in Japan, so it's some maybe warranty information. And startup guide, also in Japanese language. Okay? So, they're trying to save everything. Now, only a quick guide and the necessary warranty. Nothing already. The sticker is gone. I like collecting the sticker, but it's gone already. So, let's get back to opening the iPad. I always open it carefully so I don't destroy the paper. I don't want to destroy the paper. Okay, perfect. It's thin. It's thin. I'll get my iPhone. Let me remove it from the case and we will compare it. Oh, you see? It's thinner than the iPhone. Look, it's thinner than the iPhone. I hope I'm in the camera level. It's thinner than the iPhone. Wait. Look. Wow. It's very thin, huh? Up to the USB or the lightning charging port only. It's so thin. Okay. So, now that we have opened it, the next step now is we will open the keyboard. So let's get back to opening this, the Apple Magic Keyboard. We will unbox it. So, we will unbox the keyboard. Then, okay, look this way. When you open it, I'm putting this aside also. The back of the camera. Let's pull it out. Nothing. And this is thick. This is thick. So this is how it will be. So when you put this on, the thickness of the iPad is just the keyboard. Okay? It will double or even triple the thickness. To unbox it. Once this is open. So this one, and there is a cartoon here, and the cartoon is the thickness of the iPad. So there's a change in the Magic Keyboard. Now the Magic Keyboard comes with function key. There's now a function key for the Magic Keyboard. And the trackpad is bigger. This is in aluminum. Okay. And the same design. There's a 3 magnetic pin which is used for charging. And they say there's other function, but Apple haven't been using it yet. So now we will put it together. Voila. So this is when you close it, it becomes double heavy. It's heavier. This one also is in aluminum. Become heavier, but your iPad is protected. By the way, Apple already removed the second camera. This become, I think it become a LiDAR for more accurate measurement or things or other purposes which I'm not so familiar yet. And also another change is the camera is not here already. Apple changed the camera from here to here. The new iPad Pro, the camera is already here, so easier for us to Zoom, Microsoft Teams, Google Meet, for FaceTime. Our eyes can just look directly to the camera. So this is the unboxing. And one more thing, we have one last thing, the pencil. So we will unbox the pencil. This is the Pencil Pro. The Pencil Pro has more feature. There's a tactile feel. When you touch it, you could feel it. There's a little vibration. I haven't tried it. I was not able to try it in the Apple Store yesterday because there were so many people. So this is how to unbox it. And when you remove it, you could just pull it out. And okay, just the pen. So this is the pen, and you will pull out the pen. It says Pencil Pro. So that's all the difference between the exterior, for the exterior. It's exactly the same as the pencil. Oh, this is loose, so make sure to tighten it. And before, there are extra tip. Now, no extra tip. Extra tip. You have to buy everything. Okay. And then put this way. This is it. Now, when you put your pencil, actually, it can also charge this way, but it's more advisable to put it this way. In case it fall down, you don't damage the tip. At first, I was wondering how to put the pen. What's the right way to put the pen? Okay, the right way to put the pen is this way, with this one facing down, so in case it fall off, you don't destroy the tip. Okay, so this is how to do it. Okay, so I think the main issue here is to open and unbox it. So the video already takes so long, so I think I'm going to stop from here. Setting up and everything, maybe it's a future video, but maybe I would be making a content out of it since I'm traveling and I don't have the necessary tools to do it. For now, I'm excited to do this. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe.